Nick's shocking affair and drug problem spirals into a romantic blow-up, according to spoilers for tonight's episode of The Young and the Restless. Spoilers for the television show The Young and the Restless Y&R suggest that Nick Newman, played by Joshua Morrow, may be getting ready for a surprise affair. What are the chances that Nick's drug habit may lead to any romantic conflicts? Nick was confronted with some intense agony due to his leg injury shortly after he woke up following his operation. This discomfort was caused by the leg damage. Nick received an increase in his medication, which was the initial indication that a narrative involving drug addiction might be in the works. As a result of the events that took place in the episode that aired on January 15, we are more persuaded than ever before that Nick is going to experience an addiction to painkillers. After popping his meds, Nick realized that he would require a prescription in the near future, but he hasn't even been discharged from the hospital for an entire day yet. If things continue as they are, Nick is almost certainly going to get into some difficulty with the drug department. Regrettably, this may also result in unfavorable developments for Nick's relationship with Sharon Newman, who is played by actress Sharon Case. Despite the fact that Nick and Sharon have not yet officially reconnected or given a name to their current relationship, it is clear that they are moving in the direction of a romantic relationship once again. Unfortunately, Nick may become so preoccupied with his need for medications that he neglects his connection with Sharon. This would be a terrible thing to do. This is especially true in the event that Sharon gets pushed away because she thinks something is wrong. It is possible that Nick will handle this situation incorrectly and end up in the arms of a lady who is very different from him. In the event that this occurs, there are at least a few choices that can be considered. Due to the fact that there is a fine line between love and hatred, Phyllis Summers, played by Michelle Stafford, could be a potential candidate. Although Nick is enraged with Phyllis because of her participation in Kane Ashby's Billy Flynn artificial intelligence attack on Newman Enterprises, it is important to remember that anger may sometimes be a catalyst for desire. It is possible that Phyllis and Nick will, at some point in the future, give in to the strong pull that they feel for each other. When Nick and Sienna Bacall, played by Tamara Braun, find themselves in bed together, this is still another possibility. If Young and the Restless makes that choice for the tale, there is a possibility that Nick will harm his own relationship with his son while simultaneously destroying the relationship that Noah Newman, Lucas Adams, has with Sienna. There were a few signs that Sienna had a brother who passed away, and it is most likely that he died from an overdose of drugs. Considering that Sienna might try to assist Nick and end up falling in love with him in the process, it is possible that this could result in some boundaries being violated. Regardless of the circumstances, it appears that Nick is on the route to becoming addicted to drugs. Therefore, stay with us for updates on all the craziness that will result from this. There are spoilers for The Young and the Restless that indicate Nick is about to embark on a challenging new chapter that will undoubtedly result in some shocking results. Make CDL your go-to source for Young and the Restless spoilers, updates, and news because we are the place to be for the most recent and best Young and the Restless spoilers.